Hello champions, your second PUC Chemistry board examination is tomorrow and many students score low not because they don't know the answers but because of poor time management and messy presentation. So in this video, I'm going to discuss in detail how to manage your time effectively in examination and how to present your answers properly so that you can impress the examiner. So let's get started and see what we have in today's video. So first of all, we'll talk about the preparation that you need to do before the examination starts. Okay. Then we'll discuss about the time management section wise, to which section, how much time you need to dedicate. And then I'll tell you some writing, how to write and present your answers in the examination. And lastly, we'll talk about some final tips that you should keep in your mind while writing this exam. So let's get started with the first one. So first of all, be relaxed and stay positive. Okay, whatever you have studied is studied. Now you cannot change anything. So don't panic, just be confident and trust your preparation. Second, read the instructions carefully. Once you are getting the question paper, take proper time and read the instructions, listen to the invigilator, whatever instructions are given, follow them strictly. Third, very important is utilize the reading time. You will be getting at least, I think, 5 minutes to read the question paper, 5 to 10 minutes. So use that properly and just find out all the easy questions that you will be attempting first. Now let's move and discuss about the time management section wise. So section A, there are total 20 questions, so you can dedicate 30 minutes for that. So sharp at 10:15 your answer writing starts. So 10:15 to 10:45 am, focus on writing the section A. Next, in section B, that is 2 marker questions, you have to attempt any 3. So you can just give 15 minutes time for this one. So 10:45 to 11 am you can complete section B. Now coming to section C, where you have to attempt 5 questions, each question carries 3 marks. So total you can dedicate 30 minutes here, and from 11 to 11:30 you can complete section C. Now coming to section D, here you have to attempt 4 questions and these are 5 marker questions, so definitely you will take more time. So dedicate 45 minutes here, that is from almost 40 minutes I can say. From 11:30 to 12:10 try to complete your section D. Now comes the last section, section E, where you have to attempt 3 numericals. So you can just dedicate around 15-20 minutes here, right? 15 to 20 minutes to this section, and you can complete your paper by 12:30. Okay, now you have remaining 45 minutes. So in that 45 minutes you can use to revise the paper at least for 15 minutes, and another 15 to 20 minutes if you are attempting any extra questions, you can attempt that also. Okay, so the rest I can say around 45 minutes, use 30 minutes to write your extra questions whichever you want to attempt, which you are not sure about, and another 15 minutes to properly revise the paper. Okay, so this should be your time distribution. You can change here and there based on your strength and weakness, but this is a rough idea how to plan your paper. Okay, so whenever you are starting section B, see the time and make sure that you are completing it within 11 am. Now when you're going to start section C, finish it by 11:30 am. Like that you can take a track of the time. Now moving to the next, something very important. So KCT 2026 examination is very close, and if you really want to crack this examination, then only studying will not help you. You have to analyze yourself, you have to test your preparation, and you have to always improve your scores, and for that you need a good test series. So to help you with this, I have launched the Fighter KCT 2026 test series, which is based on KCT pattern and syllabus and is designed by KCT experts. So here you will get total of 18 full-length mock tests, 6 each from physics, chemistry and maths. Apart from that, you will get detailed solutions, video solutions of chemistry, and most importantly, a detailed analysis report where you can know your strength and weak areas. And the interesting thing is all these things are available at a very, very affordable price of just rupees 399. The link is there in the description section. So purchase it right now. Okay. Now moving ahead with the answer writing presentation tips that you should definitely follow. So the first one is the first 2 pages you have to leave for section A. Okay, and in section A you have to write the options as well as the full answers, and no cutting is allowed. If you do any cutting in section A, it will not be evaluated. So just see here, this is a topper's answer sheet. So you have to write the question number, you have to mention the option as well as the full answer. Okay. Now moving to the second tip, mention the section, question number, and write in points and underline the keywords. Okay, so whenever you're starting section B, mention the section, then write the question number and try to write the answers in points. And it will be good if you also underline the keywords. This student has not done, but still I recommend always underline the keywords. This is very, very important. Next one is write always balanced chemical equation, especially in the preparation of KMNO4, and you have one more thing, that is preparation of K2Cr2O7. always write balanced equations in these reactions. Okay, next, don't mix sections. Okay, so if you're started with section B and you have to attempt 3 questions in section B, so make sure that first you are completing all the 3 questions, then you are going to section C. Okay, and in case you don't know any question in section B, just leave some space so that later you can attempt it, but don't write it after the section C. Okay, so under the section B heading, all the 3 questions should be done. Extra questions you can definitely write it later. Now moving to the next one, draw neat and well leveled diagrams and try to use pencil for the diagram and mark it. Proper leveling should be there and the heading of the diagram should be written at the bottom. Like this diagram is for which, the topic of the diagram should be written at the bottom. Next is numericals. Always first write the given values, then write down the formula, then do the substitution, then show the calculation step by step, and while doing the calculations check if any unit conversion is required, and then write down the final answer in a box with units. Okay, so I'll show you one example here. Yes, so first you have to write down this given values in the question, okay, with units and everything, then write down the second thing, that is formula, then substitute everything and then show the calculation and write down the final answer with the units. Okay, if you don't write units, then marks will be deducted. Next, there are some final tips for all of you. So first of all, do not panic, stay calm and confident. Whatever you have prepared is enough and you will do good in the exam. So stay positive. Attempt all the questions even if you are unsure. Okay, see, if you are not sure with one question, there are options. So whatever you know about a particular question, if you have time, just attempt it. Don't leave any question, especially because, like for example, in section B you have attempted 3 questions but you are not sure about one, so just other 2 questions, whatever you know, just write it and come. Next, keep your handwriting neat. Even if it is not good, maintain proper space, leave space between 2 questions, put lines after every question so that it looks neat. Next, focus on accuracy in numericals and equations. So equations should definitely be balanced, and numericals, as I told you, there is calculator, so you don't have to worry about error in calculation. So just make sure that you are using the correct formula and doing the correct calculations. And lastly, revise thoroughly before submitting. Check the question number, sections, number of questions you have attempted, underline the keywords, examples, diagrams, definitions, everything. Check at least last 15 minutes properly, dedicate to check your answer sheets. Okay, so that's all in this video, my dear children. And once again, KCT 2026 test series is live now. The link for this is in the description section and you can purchase it at a very affordable price of just rupees 399. Thank you so much for watching and all the best. And if you need any other help, do let me know in the comment section.